Hi, it's Peter at Peter's Blooms. I had to make this quick video because I think I may have found the orchid that never stops blooming. Just look at this Vanda. Spike after spike, beautiful flowers, and the fragrance? It's hypnotic. But here's the real question. Is it possible for an orchid to keep blooming forever? Let's find out. About 2 months ago, we took a road trip from Miami to Tallahassee. And on the way back, we stopped in Mount Dora. And then headed back through Apopka, right near Orlando, an orchid grower's paradise. Krull-Smith, Equigenica, orchids in bloom, they're all right there. We weren't planning to buy anything. There were no shows, no big sales. We just wanted to take a peek at their setups and their beautiful plants. I did post a few shorts on their cattleyas, but we were just there to see because we hadn't been there before. And then we saw this beauty for sale at Krull-Smith. It's PDA Pax and Fragrance by Minnie Palmer. Just check out the chocolate red petals and nearly black spots, and a striking flared magenta lip. It's like the classic Minnie Palmer, but hyped up to the max. And here's the bonus. It wasn't just one plant, it's two, both full-sized with spikes, blooms, buds, all for $45, the same price as a single plant. It's kind of like it was just waiting for us. I'd call it Orchid Karma. A week after we brought it home, the second spike opened, and just as those flowers started to fade, a new spike emerged on the first plant. This week, those fresh blooms popped open, right after the last ones dropped. And look at this, another spike has already started on the second plant. It's like they're taking turns to make sure there's always something in bloom. They have a strong sweet scent, a mixture of gardenia, jasmine, and grape soda. If you could smell it right now, you'd be hooked. And the blooms, as they age, the colors get more intense. Pretty cool, right? So here's what's working for me. Daily watering, twice daily if it's hot and dry, and I really soak the plants several times to make sure the roots turn green. Weekly fertilizing using 20-20-20 with CalMag and seaweed, and monthly with 10-30-20 with a few drops of Super Thrive. Monthly, I spray to prevent pests and diseases with Banrot and Safari. And if it's raining a lot, I used Visan 20 to keep things in check. I found thrips once on one of the spikes, but spot treatment with 3-in-1 took care of that. Funny enough, Krull-Smith did post that one of their Pax and Fragrance plants did bloom 6 times last year. And I'd say in the last 3 months, my plants have had 4 different spikes. So now I'm wondering, will my twins keep alternating blooms forever? Maybe months, maybe years? If you've ever had an orchid that bloomed nonstop, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know your record. And be sure to subscribe to follow this orchid's next chapter. Thanks for watching.